Hi all, it's that time of the week again. I'm back to show you some new things. Hasn't been a lot in this week, so we're also going to have a look at some oldies but goodies. Some of you might have forgotten about some kits that you may not even know about, but they've been around for a while. So let's start off with some Airfix stuff that's come in. First up, a couple of old classics. This is the Airfix Hawker Demon. It's been around since the 60s. They reproduce it every so often just to, I think, use the moulds, make sure the moulds are all okay. The kit itself is quite good. It's old technology, so don't think you're buying the latest technology kit. Takes a little bit of work, but it is a Hawker Demon, which obviously Australia flew, so you can do it up in Australian markings. I believe there's a couple of decal companies around that may do the markings for you. But other than that, again, nice little vintage classic. Also another vintage classic from Airfix, we've got the Handley Page Jetstream. There are actually a couple of, about 3 or 4 kits now that they've re-released of different, of the old vintage series. This is just another one. This is the Handley Page Jetstream, as you can see. This is quite a nice kit. It was pretty good for its day. Again, remember, it's a vintage kit. It's been around since about the 80s. I think there's 2 choices of markings in it. So it's not bad if you want to get one of those type of aircraft. That's pretty cool. Now, a couple of new ones. This is the Bristol Bauford. This is a kit that people have been crying out for a long time. It's one of those holy grail type kits. Very, very nice. The couple of reviews I've seen so far and a couple of information I've heard from it, it's pretty good. You can't build an Aussie one out of it. It's got the wrong tail and everything else. But there are parts in the kit that may suggest that they're going to do other versions of it, but we'll have to wait and see. This is really well done. The detail is very good. There's been talk that the panel lines are really thick and trenchy type. They're not. I think the review that was done where they panel lined it just made it accentuated the panels way too much. This is really fine. There's detail in the wheel wells, which is really cool. There's different sets of flaps. There's different turrets for the rear end. There's some couple of bits and pieces of sections in there that you can, like tail sections, and I'll show you that in a sec. Oh, not tail sections, turret sections. And I'll show you that in a minute. I'll do a proper opening up and show you what this is about. So I'll show you a bit more about that in a minute. The other one that's come in is a further version of the Blenheim Mark 1 in 48 scale. The main difference with this one is basically the colour schemes. They haven't done a lot with it. This is the Malta-based ones or the African-based ones. There's also a 1938 version of it as well in the like a night fighter scheme. So with the black underneath and everything else. This has always been a nice kit. The Mark 1 hasn't been around for about 12 months, 18 months now, so if you've finally decided you need one, you need to pick up one of these. That's it for today, for now. So talk to you again. Take care. See ya. Bye.